Labour is by far the biggest cost factor when it comes to inner-city civil engineering work. The quality of information about the location of buried plant and equipment belonging to utility companies presents a risk to safety and means it is harder to accurately estimate the work involved. This will affect the productivity of the workers and can increase costs as a result of having to hand dig around pipes, cables and tree roots. Pressure to reduce costs and increase productivity can lead to the use of mechanical excavators where it is not safe to do so. Therefore, civil engineering companies are looking for better solutions that ensure good productivity and keep workers safe. These companies are looking more and more to embrace technology that incorporates the use of air. The way a suction excavator works is similar to a vacuum cleaner, but it has an enormous output of up to 44,000 cubic meters of air per hour, a maximum vacuum pressure of up to 55,000 pascals, and an air speed of up to 110 meters per second in the suction pipe. The material is sucked up in the excavation direction by the force of the air, and any underground plant and equipment is uncovered from the top without being touched directly. The suction pipe can be moved in 3 dimensions. The working radius is 180 degrees, the stretched range of the hydraulic power arm is 6 meters, and the maximum depth is 3 meters. Other extensions can be attached without any difficulties. All these movements are safely controlled. The material that is excavated reaches the central collection area via the suction hose. All the major particles settle here because of the drop in air pressure and circulation. The flow of air is then cleaned and dried using the outlet chambers. The outlet chamber guarantees that the pressure on the fine mesh filter is very low and therefore high suction power is available even when removing water or damp media. The fine mesh filter absorbs the final remnants of dust. The cleaned air runs through the fans and is mainly expelled upwards via a sound insulating unit. The power is provided directly by an auxiliary drive system on a support vehicle or from an intermediate power source mounted along the drivetrain. All the fans are equipped with a hydraulic oil clutch to run quietly. The onboard compressor supplies up to 4.5 cubic meters of compressed air every minute. This is used to automatically clean the fine mesh filter and operate manual accessories. All kinds of materials can be sucked up, solid particles with a diameter of up to 250 millimeters. Depending on the power output that has been set and the material in question, items can be moved up to 150 meters horizontally and 30 meters vertically. It is possible to control all the functions either using a cable connection or a remote device. It is easy to deposit materials in containers by using the side emptying facility, which has a tipping height of 2 meters. This makes it simple to transport materials away from the site. The machine's extensive equipment allows them to be used in complete isolation from other units. Suction excavators can be used profitably anywhere where the high risk of causing damage excludes the use of hydraulic excavators or where the surrounding circumstances do not allow this. This includes sensitive industrial plant like refineries or chemical factories. The machines are frequently used in cases like these, carefully uncovering underground plant and equipment like water, sewage, gas, electricity or telephone lines to avoid any damage. Rapid emergency services for these supply companies. Carefully exposing roots when tidying up trees or civil engineering work where there are roots. Establishing starting and finishing shafts when using underground hydraulic bore equipment. Extracting bentonite using controlled horizontal borings. Uncovering foundations to property. Removing gravel from flat roofs. Extracting materials when carrying out improvement work inside buildings. Cleaning road drains, gully holes and sewage tanks. extracting materials at accident sites, breakdowns or disasters, and many other special uses. Suction excavators guarantee short operating times, very fast earth excavation work or material transportation without any damage, and low levels of traffic and environmental pollution. The unit is set up on a supporting chassis weighing anything from 7.5 to 40 tons. Each customer can configure the machine for its tasks as a result of the wide range of different fan output levels, hose manipulators, and special extension features. Complex solutions have been created in conjunction with cooperation partners like combining the suction excavator with a rear-mounted boring unit for laying cables quickly, a suction excavator with a two-way drive device for use on railway tracks, a suction excavator with a rear-mounted high-pressure water washing unit for cleaning spaces.